Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo ngayon. I know na bata ka pa para maintindihan ng lahat, pero dadating din ang panahon na magiging senses mo ang lahat ng tao. I love you, 40s. Happy birthday. Hi 40s, we love you. Happy birthday. Sana paglaki mo, maging mabait ka, katulad nila ate. Masunurin. We love you 40s. I love you. Love ka ni ate.
Yes, these are the good times. 'Cause everything is better when we get together.
Wish namin ni Daddy kila ate. Laging makinig kila mami, kila daddy. Lalo kila mami na ate, na tita. Kasi yung trabaho namin ni Daddy, lagi talagang wala katulad ngayon. Special day mo pero no choice, Daddy.
And we're feeling alright. 'Cause everything is better when we get together.
Happy birthday, 40s!
I swear everything's down. Fireworks moving in slow motion. The wind blowing in your hair. I can see in your eyes you were feeling my devotion. For a second I'm forever intertwined. I'm your own baby, you're mine. Come on and give me a sign. We'll light the night singing. Come on, let's write a new story. Time is our friend, life is our glory. Come on, let's write a new story. Time is our friend, life is our glory. Hey,
Sana
close your eyes.
katulad nila ate, magkaroon ka ng takot sa Diyos. Sana magkaroon ka din ng mataas na pangarap para magawa mo lahat ng gusto mong makamit sa buhay.
Come on, let's go for a ride. We'll light the night singing. I'm never gonna let you go. Come on, let's write a new story. Time is our friend, life is our glory. Come on, let's write a new story. Time is our friend, life is our glory. I'm never gonna let you go. I'm never gonna let you go. Oh.
Lagi lang nakasuporta si mami, si daddy, sila ate, sila lolo, sila tita. Pag hindi mo kaya, tingin ka lang sa likod mo. Lagi kami nandito para sa inyo.